Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super important for your financial health. How to check hard inquiries on Credit Karma in 2025. If you're not familiar, hard inquiries happen when a lender checks your credit report, like when you apply for a loan or credit card, and they can temporarily ding your credit score. But don't worry, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can stay on top of your credit. First things first, make sure you have a Credit Karma account. If you don't, head over to their website or app and sign up. It's free and takes just a minute. Once you're logged in, start by going to the Credit Report section. This is usually front and center on the dashboard. Credit Karma pulls data from TransUnion and Equifax, so you'll see reports from both. Next, look for the Inquiries tab or section. In 2025, Credit Karma has made this even easier with updated interfaces, so you might see a dedicated Hard Inquiries filter right there. Click on it, and you'll get a list of all recent hard pulls. Each inquiry will show the date, the company that requested it, and how it might have impacted your score. Take a moment to review them. Remember, hard inquiries typically stay on your report for 2 years but only affect your score for about a year. If you're using the mobile app, the process is just as straightforward. Open the app, tap on Credit Monitoring, and navigate to Inquiries. You can even set up alerts for new hard inquiries to keep things proactive. One tip: always check for errors. If you see something that doesn't belong, dispute it directly through Credit Karma's tools. Wrapping this up, keeping an eye on your hard inquiries is key to maintaining a strong credit profile. By following these steps, you'll be more informed and empowered. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.